Hi, I'm Bob Willard from the Knee Institute in Regenerative Medicine, and today we just want to define another one of the services that are done at the Knee Institute in Degenerative Medicine, and that is stem cell therapy. Before we go further, I'd like to define the different kinds of stem cell therapy out there. Number one is called adipose, and that's where they will actually take cells right out of your stomach. They liposuction it. It's an invasive procedure, and with it comes much risk, such as infection. Okay, once they get that out, then they inject it into the site. But the real problem we have with this kind of a procedure is that they're your cells. So example, I'm 75 years old, 75% of my stem cells are really of no value. So it would be very difficult to get any kind of success whatsoever. A second one is called bone marrow. And this is a procedure where they actually go in and scrape cells off of your hip. It is a very uncomfortable procedure, and again, it's invasive, so you can have all kinds of negative results, including infection. There's a third kind called human umbilical cord stem cell. This is the only one in the United States that is FDA cleared. In this procedure, the stem cells come from a newborn baby through a cesarean birth. These are all plentiful in stem cells, millions and millions of them, and they are virgin. So therefore, there's not very many, if any, that are dead cells. Now what happens is we take these cells and we combine them with PRP, and it's one of the other services that we do here. It's called platelet-rich plasma. And if you go to the platelet-rich plasma section, you will see what that is. The good thing about this is it has tremendous amount of growth factors in it. So we mix them with the human umbilical cord stem cells to be injected into the site. We do one other thing, is we also utilize prolotherapy, which is also another service that we have here, that we have defined earlier, and we inject it into the site that we're trying to repair. We do all different kinds of neuromuscular sites. We do not do anything else but that. So we're talking about ankles, knees, hips, shoulders, hands, all the musculoskeletal sites, and you can see them over there with the skeletal and the red spots on them. Now what we do then is we inject the prolo into the site that we're trying to achieve maximum results. This creates an inflammation, and the stem cell mixed with the PRP comes charging down there to repair and regrow and regenerate what we're trying to do. This is state of the art. Very few do this. And also, which is very important, is this is all done under the guidance of color ultrasound. So it's real-time imaging, so we make sure that we are utilizing this therapy in the correct real-time locations.